Hey everyone, welcome to Python Code Nemesis. This is part 2 of rebasing merge requests in GitHub. So, in case you deleted your branch and locally fetched it and it works, that's great. It solves if you've messed up branches locally. In case you mistakenly pushed to the wrong branch and that was an important integration branch or a master branch, which you usually shouldn't have permissions to in a real-life scenario, but if you do, you can actually revert those commits. So use git log to see the latest commits you've made, get a count of them, then use git reset, hide, head, tilde, number of commits to remove all commits. Next, you will force push this commit with the command git push -up origin and branch name. That will successfully revert all the wrong commits, and you will definitely lose all of these commits as well. So in case you want to save your work, do that in do save it in a file or something elsewhere. Because this force push will remove all of those commits and they won't be visible in the commit history. Now sometimes it may happen that even after all of this, your MR might now not be reflecting the latest commits you made. This is because there were some issues in the rebase. You either did multiple ones or aborted them. Use the command remove -fr get rebase must to delete the rebase directory at this point, as you don't even have any branch that you are on. Now create a new branch from your old branch called any branch and push the new commit to this branch. And as a result, all the commits from your previous branch will also be there in this merge request. This worked for me and saved me so much time, which would have gone in creating an MR with the same changes from scratch. Always make sure before rebasing that you're on the right branch. If it says everything up to date on my branch, create a new branch called my branch 2 and then push and create the new MR. That's it. We're done. So before we end this, one thing which is the most important in all of this is um merging, like difference between rebasing and merging. So when you rebase, you just let's say you have merge conflicts with each of you have 10 commits and then you have 10 merge conflicts. And at each step you will be merging. Like either you can accept the changes coming from the master or upstream, you can accept your own changes or you can merge. So if you're rebasing this scenario and then there's 10 commits, so you'd be rebasing 10 times over and over and over again the same things to get it working. In such a scenario, what we do is git merge hyphen no hyphen ff. So it's a flag. We can write it down somewhere. Let's edit story. And the command git merge command would be git merge no ff branch name. So when you do this, all of those 10 commits will be merged into one, and you will only have to rebase against that one commit. So that will make your job a lot easier, and especially when you're working on projects with a lot of contributors. This is exactly the scenario that we get, and this is how you can resolve it. Yeah, that's it for this article. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like if you found this helpful. Thanks. Happy coding.